Yahaya Yensin has been selling foodstuff at the Garki market in Abuja for nearly 20 years. He once thrived selling rice and dried fish, but today staying in business is a challenge. Soaring costs alongside dwindling purchasing power have slowed sales and profits have shrunk.
5 years ago, I couldn't keep up with sales. A truckload of foodstuffs would sell out in days. Now it lasts over a month because people just can't afford to buy in bulk anymore. People who used to buy a whole bag of rice now settle for just a few cups. Even I can't restock like before. I now team up with others to buy in bulk.
The International Monetary Fund, IMF, reports that Nigeria's GDP per capita has dropped by over 45% in just 1 year, now sitting at $835. Experts attribute this decline to the rapid depreciation of the naira and surging inflation. With businesses struggling, investors holding back, and household incomes squeezed, the economic downturn is taking its toll.
When your GDP dips, quality of life will dip. There will be consequences.
In 2024, the naira saw a very sharp decline to close to 1,900 naira to a dollar. So that already has reduced the value of the naira, and then when it's now measured against the GDP of the previous year, definitely is a drop.
Despite a reported economic growth rate of 2.8% in 2024, Nigeria's massive population of over 200 million means the impact remains minimal. Meanwhile, the country's fiscal deficit has expanded to 6.1% of GDP, pushing the government further into debt. However, recent central bank policies and efforts to stabilize the naira could help rebuild confidence.
If we can further cut down importation of goods and services, and then we produce for exportation, this will boost our GDP. It will also increase the per capita income of Nigerians to GDP.
It's a very slow process. I remember that rebuilding is a lot more difficult, than demolition.
As 2025 unfolds, the naira is showing some signs of recovery, but analysts caution that without strong policy reforms, economic hardship will persist. For traders like Yahaya, survival now hinges on managing costs and keeping loyal customers. Experts say diversifying the economy, boosting industrial outputs, and implementing sound monetary policies will be key to stabilizing Nigeria's economic future. Kelechi Emekalam, CGTN Abuja, Nigeria.